Hi, this is Carl Fleming with MarineMax and Stuart. Going to give you a quick tour of this 2012 Scout 350 Abaco that we just took in on trade. The boat's got white twin 350 Yamahas, about 150 hours on the engines. The boat also has a diesel generator with 135 hours on it. At the starboard side of the cockpit here, the boat has a large live well and then a sink with a rigging prep station. On the port side here, there's a refrigerated cooler box. As we look back into the cockpit here, you can see plenty of space, big open cockpit. That rear seat does also fold up to give you a little bit more room. Here at the helm, you can see the boat has two 12-inch Garmins. Helm AC does also have a bow thruster as well. You can see the boat's in good shape. It's extremely clean down here in the cabin. Here at the galley, there's a dual burner cooktop, a freezer with an ice maker, and then we've got a separate refrigerator and a microwave as well. The boat does have a separate enclosed head with a shower. And there's a spacious mid berth there also. Again, my name is Carl Fleming with MarineMax and Stuart. If you'd like more information on this boat or if you'd like to schedule an appointment to see it, please give me a call. My number is 772-349-4178.